Trigonometry and find the angle. This is a part B to a question with another right angle triangle, which was a Pythagoras question. Didn't have an angle in it. As soon as the angle gets involved, it's going to be a grade B trigonometry question. If it's in a right angle triangle, it's grade B. If it's in any triangle, it'll be an AA style question. So, what do we know about trigonometry? Well, we should know to label the sides. Okay, the side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. Then we label the other two sides based on the angle. This is the angle involved, so that's the opposite side to the angle, and the one next to it that isn't the hypotenuse is the adjacent side. Then we should write down our SOHCAHTOA rule. If you're using the formula triangles to help you, you could write it like this: SOHCAHTOA. Then we've got to figure out which one to use. We've got the opposite and the hypotenuse involved, and we're not using the adjacent, so we're not going to use that formula. We're not going to use that formula because they both have the adjacent in it, so we're going to use this formula. Okay, and we want to find the angle, so we need to use sine of the angle y equals opposite over hypotenuse. So we block out the sine, look at the opposite and hypotenuse, and that's what we work out. So the opposite side is 10, the hypotenuse is 22. So we've got to figure out what angle's sine is 10 over 22. So bring in the calculator. Now to get y, we need to do the sine to the minus 1. We've got to do the inverse of sine, which is the sine to the minus 1 button. So we go not sine but shift sine. We do 10 over 22. Make sure we come out of the fraction, close the bracket, press equals, and the calculator tells us it's 27.03569,179, or 27 to the nearest degree would be fine. And that's it.